Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to change the add friend button to a follow button. I'm going to show you step by step in this video how to simply add the follow button to your Facebook profile. Okay, so let's jump into the video guys. The very first thing you do guys is to obviously make sure that you're logged into Facebook. So make sure that you're logged into Facebook. So if you go back here, you can see that I am logged into Facebook right here, and this is the Facebook feeds page, as you can see right here. And once you're logged into Facebook guys, you can follow step by step in this video. Right, so the very first thing you do guys is to click on the icon on the top right hand corner of your screen right here where it has your profile picture. Click right there and it leads you onto this page. Once you're here on this page, you can scroll down, and you can see community resources, help and support, help center. You can see all these details right here. Scroll down until you see privacy settings and privacy. Click right there below where it says settings. Click right there. And then once you're on this page, as you can see right here, you can see towards the top of the screen, you can see profile settings. I need you to click right there on profile settings right here. Click there. And it displays this page. Alright, so once you're on this page, the next thing you do guys is to scroll down a little bit guys, and you can see where it says public posts. Public posts. Click right there where it says public posts. Click right there. It leads you onto this page. Now on this page, you can see right here, it gives you a few questions here. It says, who can follow me? Okay, I need you to select public here. The next question is, who can see your followers on your timeline? Click on public. You can see that initially it was friends, but making it public. Scroll down again, it says here, public comments. You can update this on individual posts without affecting your account settings. Choose public right here. Scroll down, and also it says here, public post notifications. I need you to choose everyone. Choose everyone and scroll, and then the next one says public profile info. Also click on public here. Choose public, and once that's chosen guys, you can go back. So go to the top left hand corner of your screen and click on the back button right here. Yes, click on the back button, and then you scroll down and go to where it says privacy. Privacy, control who can send a friend request to. Click right there, and it says, it gives you various options here. You can scroll down, and you can see here various questions here. Keep scrolling to the question that says how people can find and contact you. It says, who can send you friend requests? Right now it's set to everyone. Click right there, and instead of everyone, please choose friends of friends. Choose friends of friends. And once that's done guys, that is the job done. Simply go back and go back and go back and go back to your profile, the feeds page, and go back to your profile, and let's see if what we have done has worked out. Once you're on this page guys, you click on this button right here, this right hand corner button that gives you a drop down here. Choose this, and once you're here, click on your profile icon right here. It leads you onto this page, and once you're here, you can see that there are 3 dots here beside your edit profile button. Click right there, and it displays this page. Right here on this page, you can see an option that says view as. Click on the button that says view as, and it shows you this page. You can see right here that the add friend request or add friend button has been changed and replaced by the follow button. Now if that's done guys, your job is done and you're now able to use follow and not add friend. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. If it was helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.